Hello students, today we want to consider Venn diagram. We are still on set and we are moving forward. Look at this. I want to use this to explain some basic things for you to be able to understand more, have more understanding on Venn diagram. Using the Venn diagram below, you can see it's just like what we did in the previous class. So in set A, you are having what? F-A-M-R-E. In set B, you have R-E-U-L. And outside these two sets here, in the universal set, you have who is outside here, but not inside A and B. Now, if we want to know the number of elements in set A, the number of elements in set A, how many elements are in set A? This is set A. How many elements are there? In this circle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 elements are in set A. How many elements are in set A only? It can be written as set A only, or you can say number of elements in A intersection B complement. That means number of elements in A, or you can see B complement. That means what is not in B at all. So that means the same thing as saying number of elements in A only. If you look at this circle, you realize that this F, A, and M are the elements in A only, which is not included in B. So number of elements in A only will be F, A, M. That means 1, 2, 3. 3 elements. The number of elements in set B. Look at the circle of set B. How many elements are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are having 4 elements there. Then if you want to know the number of elements in set B only, that means those elements in set B that are not in A. So it can also be written as A complement intersection B. So B only can still be written as A complement intersection B. So how many elements are here? 1, 2. We are only having 2 elements there. The number of elements in A intersection B. That means what is common to A and B. How many elements are? So this is where what is common to them. We have 1, 2 elements. Then how many elements are A union B? That means if you combine A and B together, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are having 7 elements. Then how many elements are in A union B complement? A union B complement. That means what is in universal set but not in A and B. So that one is outside there, which is so. How many are there? 1. If you want to write this as the number of elements, so this can be written as, so if this is a set A, this is set B, we said 2 elements are in A intersection B. So we are having 2 elements here. Then 3 elements are in A only. So A only, we are having 3 elements. So 3 will be here. Then in set B, how many elements are in B only? 1, 2. We are having 2. So how many elements are in B, A in union B complement? We have 1. So you write 1. Now you realize that if you want to know the total number of elements in A, this circle for A, how many elements? That is 3. This 3 plus 2 will give us 5. So those are the total number of elements in A. Total number of elements in B. B will be what? This 2 plus this 2, making 4. So those one in A intersection B and B only will give us what? 4. So that means 4 elements are in B. Then how many elements are in A union B? So that means you have what? 3 plus 2 plus 2, which is what? 7. 7 elements. So this is giving the number of elements in each. So this one gives number of elements in A only, A in intersection B, B only, and this one represents A union B complement. So if we want to know total number of elements in each of these sets, just add everything in this circle together. 3 plus 2 will give us 5 elements in A. Then 2 plus 2 will give us 4 elements in B. Now, total number of elements in A and B, 3 plus 2 plus 2, which is 7. Then total number of elements in the universal set, you have to add everything together. A only, A intersection B, B only, and the one that is not in any of them. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. Now let's move further. Let's look at this example. In the diagram below, the number of elements in each region of the Venn diagram are given. These are the number of elements. They say in this one means that in A only we are having what? X. A intersection B we are having 3 elements. B only we are having 10 elements. Then A union B complement we are having 8 elements. So that 8 elements are not in A and B, but they are in the universal set. And here we are told that the number in the universal set we are having what? 13. Find A number in A intersection B complement. I told you the other time, if they say A intersection B complement means A only. Instead of writing A only, they are saying A intersection B complement. If you look at this, what is in A only here? This it should be what? This X. So to be able to get it, we are told that in the universal set, the number of elements there is what? 30. If you add those elements in A only, plus those elements in A intersection B, plus those elements in B only, plus those elements that are not in the 2 but in the universal set, add them together, you should be able to give us what? 30. So, so we know that what? Our A only is what? X plus A intersection B 3 plus B only is 10 plus A union B complement is what? 8. Everything should be equal to 30. So that means we have what? 3 plus 10, 13 plus 8, 21. X plus 21 equals 30. X will now be, you now bring this 21 to this side. If it is plus here, when it gets it, now be minus 21. X will now be equal 30 minus 21 will give us 9. Now, the second part of the question says number of elements in A union B. A union B. So the number of elements in A union B will give us what? That means you add everything in A plus what is in A intersection B and what is in B. So that means number of elements in A union B, that is we having X plus 3 plus 10. So our X is taken to be what? What is in A only, which is what? 9 plus 3A intersection B plus 10 B only. So 9 plus 3 is 22. 22 plus 10 is what? Sorry, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 10 will give us 22. So for the work practice, the number of elements in each region of the Venn diagram are given. So in this set, in the universal set, we have 22. We have those elements in L only, we having 6. Those ones in L intersection B, we having X. Those one in M only, we having A. And those one that are not in these two sets, L union M complement, we have 5. So find A, L intersection B. L intersection B is what? What is common to L and M? So L intersection M rather, that one is X. So normally if you add everything in universal set, you give us 22. So with that, if you add 6 plus X plus 8 plus 5 should be equal to 20, you'll be able to get X. B, you are told to look for L intersection B complement. That is what this same thing as saying L only. Then you are told to look for number of elements in L union B complement. Sorry, this should be what? M, not B, because it's M that is here. That's a mistake. This one should be M. This one should be M and M. So it should be number of elements in B, L union M, L union B complement, and number of elements in N union M complement. Then number two, the number of elements in each set is given. Find. So in set A we have 5, X only we have 5, Y only we have 8, X intersection Y we have 3, X union Y complement we have 4. In the number of elements in each set given, find number of elements in X, number of elements in Y, and number of elements in the universal set. Please ensure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank you.